In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a book cover on KDP, perfect for beginners who are just stepping into the world of Kindle Direct Publishing. Getting your book cover onto KDP can seem like a daunting task if you're new to self-publishing, but with just a few simple steps, you'll be able to add that final touch to your book that helps grab readers' attention. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the book cover section within your KDP project. If you're not already there, be sure you're logged into your KDP account and either creating a new project or editing an existing one. The book cover section is crucial. It's where you'll upload your visual masterpiece, giving your book its unique face in the digital marketplace. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the page. This part of the process is where your creativity and your book's visual identity start to truly come to life. Once you're in the book cover section, you'll see an option that says Upload Cover File. Go ahead and click on that. KDP will prompt you to select the file you want to use as your book cover. It's pivotal that your cover file is in the correct format and meets KDP's specific requirements, typically a print-ready PDF or a high-quality JPEG. Double-check these details to avoid any hiccups down the road. This upload step is where the magic begins, turning your artwork into a key component of your book's marketplace presence. Next, it's time to select your cover image from your device. A little tip here. Make sure you've named your cover file something distinct so it's easy to spot in your folders. Organization is your best friend in this stage of publishing, helping you to effortlessly locate the right file amidst possibly many others on your device. After selecting your cover file, KDP will start the upload, transforming your file into a visual representation of your book on the Kindle store. Once the upload is complete, you're just a step away from previewing your hard work. Finally, to wrap up the process, you'll want to save what you've uploaded. KDP should offer you the option to save your project at this point. It's important to hit that save button to ensure that all the work you've put into your book cover isn't lost. After saving, navigate to the preview option, usually found right next to the save button. Previewing allows you to see exactly how your cover will appear to potential readers, offering you a chance to catch any last-minute errors or imperfections before your book goes live. Remember, first impressions are critical, and this preview step is your last opportunity to fine-tune your cover's visual appeal. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your book cover on KDP. With these steps, you're well on your way to publishing success, giving your book the cover it deserves to captivate readers from the start.